Let's see how to lock and protect formulas in Microsoft Excel. If you see this example in here, I have a few formulas added to the yellow columns, and whenever I try to change them, whenever I try to post something, I keep getting this error. But when I go ahead and try to modify my data, this works perfectly. So let me show you how to do that exactly. Now, there are a few steps that you need to do, and the first one is to select all of your data, including the formulas, including the row data, right-click and click on Format Cells, and from here, go to the Protection tab and ensure that this column is unchecked. Hit OK, and the next step is to select all your data again. Press F5 to open the Go-To wizard, click on Special, and click on Formulas. And with that, we made sure that we selected only our cells that contain formulas. Now, the next thing that we have to do is to right-click and go again to Format Cells, and this time click on Locked. And with this step, we will make sure that our cells that contain formulas are locked. Now, the next step is to go to the Review tab and click on Protect Sheet. And from here, just input a password and make sure to remember that password. And when we hit OK, nothing really happens. But now, if I go ahead and try to modify this formula, I get the error that you saw on the previous spreadsheet. Now, if I go ahead and modify the inputs, notice how the formula gets adjusted, but I'm unable to edit my formulas. Now, this is it. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.